owl can observe the neighborhood area rapidly thanks to its flexible neck. Inspired by the owl, we designed an obstacle avoidance system with active stereo vision. When the flying robot is waiting for a goal position on the ground, the sensor rotates 360 degrees to observe the neighborhood area. When the goal position is received, the sensor observes around the goal position. When a dynamic obstacle appears, the sensor pays more attention to the dynamic obstacle to predict its trajectory. To better evaluate the ability to deal with dynamic environments and abrupt changes in goal direction, we designed an experiment called Catch the Rat. The rat is so smart that whenever the flying robot approaches the boundary close to the rat, it will escape and show up at a random position on the other side. In this video footage, we illustrate the sensor rotation behavior during a flight in the environment with one dynamic obstacle. The rotation of the sensor is a comprehensive result of the 5 objectives that can benefit flight safety. Here we present more video footage showing obstacle avoidance with this system.